In this video, we will be learning how to check the status of a job. This can be done several ways. When in the write-up window, at the top you will see a drop-down box. There are different types of statuses. The one showing here says Open. That is the status of Job 1. Click on Job 2 to check the status of that job, and so on. You can change the status of any job by clicking Edit. Use the drop-down next to the status box and choose the status you want to use. Click OK, and the status will automatically change. This process is the same in the Jobs, Dispatch, and Totals window. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to check the status of a job.